Cap 26 I just do tips and tricks and hobbies. And we got an air fryer here. It's a Cusinart. It's air fry, roast, bake, and broil. Keep warm. It has air fry. You hit this first, then you go to your temperature, your time, and start. And that's how you use the air fryer. I highly recommend this appliance. I'm going to go to the next one. We have a Rotisserie by Ronco. It's a professional model, and you set it by time for 18 minutes per pound. If you have a 12-pound turkey, it's 12 times 18, usually about 3 hours for a turkey. And it makes excellent roast turkey, the best roast beef. I highly recommend it. Look into it. Hard to find. Maybe you can get a smaller one, but they're out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Bye for now.